Hello, how you doing? Look, you're looking at here a fantastic plate of potato fish cakes with a kind of nice bit of Indian spice in them. They really are delicious. I'm serving mine with some mint chutney, a bit of cucumber, some fresh chilies and some lemon slices. Not going to take that long, and they're really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got about 5 or 6 cups of potatoes mashed. Now what I've done is I just peeled the potatoes, I boiled them, no salt or anything, and then I just mashed them, straight mashed potato. Here's our fish. We've got about 3 cups here of, I'm using a dory fish. This is you can use any sort of white fish if you want, a kind of fillet fish, no bones in that. 2 eggs, a teaspoon each, here we go. Chili powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander, garam masala powder, salt and pepper. And then here I've got about a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro or coriander. Very simply, this is all going to go straight into a food processor. So I've got my food processor here with that kind of blade. I'm going to put the fish in first. Now you don't have to cook the fish. It's going to go in raw, just defrost it, or if it's fresh, just use it, it's fine. Because we're going to make these fairly thin, we're going to fry them, they're going to be delicious. So in all that goes a couple of eggs, cilantro or coriander, fresh mint is also quite nice in there, salt, pepper, garam masala powder, and then turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander, teaspoon each. Then we're going to load it with some potato, and then we're going to get it happening for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes going on your machine. You'll end up with a nice spiced fish potato cake ready to go. Very, very simple. So there's like 2 or 3 minutes in my machine, and you'll end up with this kind of gooey paste, which is absolutely perfect. Now what you can do, you can make these into small little balls, large balls, flat burgers, thick burgers, it's up to you. So I'm going to get them together, and then we're just simply going to fry them off. Really easy and delicious stuff. Okay, so look, this is the size I've done, and you can see I've used a little bit of flour just to kind of, because they're a little bit wet, you know, just to kind of keep them easy to handle in the hand. Now look, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those, and we're still doing more. But let's start cooking these. So I've got a pan here. I'm obviously going to have to batch fry these because there's so many of them. I've got a little bit of oil in there, not too much. You don't want to go crazy. I'm using a sunflower oil, but feel free to use a different oil. And I'm just going to pick them up. So just little burger things. They're kind of, you know, they're not too thick, but you could do them in any shape that you want. So very simply, we're going to get them in. I'll just do 3 or 4 at a time. Just the size of this pan. Medium heat. Just about 4 minutes on each side. Let's see if we can flip these over now. Beautiful stuff. You can see I'm doing this nice and low. Just don't forget we've got raw fish in there. You don't want to do them too high. They are looking absolutely beautiful. I think you will agree. So as you're watching this little zoom in, good time to subscribe to the channel, isn't it? Okay, so these are done. I've flipped them a few times, and like I say, just do them nice and low, but that's beautiful. I'll fetch them out, and I've got quite a lot more to do. Okay, and there you go, really beautiful, lovely potato fish cakes with a little bit of spice on them. As you can see, I've served them here with some slices of lemon, cucumber and some fresh chilies, and there I've got a nice spicy mint chutney. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.